Constant and variable in C++.
Hello, and welcome to Coding is Love. Today, we are going to understand constant and variable in C++. Whether you are an aspiring programmer or an experienced one, understanding variables and constants is crucial to writing an efficient and effective code. So, let's jump into the basics. Constant and variable in C++. What is a constant? A constant is a value that cannot change during the execution of the program. This means that if you assign something a value, it will not change anywhere in the program or while it is executing. A constant must be assigned initial value. You must assign a value to the constant when you create one, and that value will not change. Like variables, constant also have data types. There are different data types that we will learn in the next video. Any constant that you create have a data types, which tells that this constant has which type of data, whether it's an integer, a floating point value, or a character. There are two types of constant. Number 1, literal constant, and number 2, defined constant. Literal constant. A literal constant is a value you type into your program whenever it is needed. Examples of literal constant are 21, 12.34, hello world, false, and null. Defined constant. Defined constant or named constant, which are constant represented by a name. The const keyword and hash defined preprocessor are used to define constant. Many programmers use all caps to define constant. Examples of defined constant are const float pi equals 3, 14, hash define pi 3.14. What is a variable? A variable is a memory location that can hold a value. When you create a variable, it creates a box in RAM to store the value. This value can be changed during the execution of the program. The value you stored in the RAM can be changed after the declaration. Variables do not require to be assigned initial values. If you create a variable, it is not necessary to assign value to it. You can assign value to it afterwards. A single variable can be assigned different values at different times during execution. Example of a variable, x equals 5, x equals 34. Let's understand this in the code. Create a new file, variable.cpp. Write the basic structure of the code. Now, create a constant. Const int x equals 4. Let's try to print this constant. Run our program to see the output. As you can see, it printed x equals 4. Now, what will happen if we try to change the value of our constant? Let's see by running this program. It's showing an error, saying assignment of read-only variable. Now remove the word const. It will become variable, and it will work fine. As you can see, the value of variable x has changed from 4 to 3. Let's comment out this code. And define a macro constant. Hash define x10. Now create a variable int y. Y equals 9 plus x. Now print the variable y. Now you can see the output. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep coding. Thank you.